Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what's acting like a firewall on your iPhone. Open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management. This reveals configuration profiles and VPNs that filter traffic. If you see a profile or VPN app, tap it and note its name. This is what you will disable. Make sure screen time restrictions are off or you know the passcode, because these blocks can prevent changes. Once done, you'll be ready to remove or turn off the service safely, step by step. Now you disable the service that's filtering connections. If a VPN is active, open Settings right arrow VPN and toggle it off, or quit and uninstall the VPN app. This immediately stops routing through that filter. For a configuration profile, tap it in General right arrow VPN and Device Management and choose Delete Profile. You'll need your device passcode or Apple ID. If a third-party firewall app exists, long press its icon and delete the app. After removal, reboot the iPhone to clear cached rules. Finish by restarting your iPhone and testing web pages and apps to confirm traffic flows normally. If something remains blocked, go back and verify screen time restrictions, confirm VPN is off, and check the Wi-Fi network's DNS settings in Settings right arrow Wi-Fi right arrow I for custom DNS entries. If a profile reappears, it may be managed by your organization. Contact the administrator. If you need protection later, consider reinstalling a trusted app or using a reputable VPN. Otherwise, leave the firewall disabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.